What's up everybody, it's John here from JJS Consulting Tech, and I'm back again with another video. This time it's an unboxing of the iPhone 13 mini. This phone is like, it's really small. Like, I mean, my hands granted are like massive, but this is kind of like extra small. Anyways, let's get right into this unboxing. So let's start with this. Get that nice. Yeah. Oh, there's two of them. There's one at the top, one at the bottom. And there's the photos. It's a lot more green than I expected. And the first fingerprints on this phone. Look at this. Put that one side. And here's the box. All you get is a Lightning to USB-C. And do you get a mini Apple sticker? You do. You get a small Apple sticker. One Apple sticker. Interesting. And that's it for the box. And this is the leather case. I mean, this case is expensive. It's like $60. I mean, how do you open this thing? Well, no, really, how do you open this thing? Why was that so difficult? Anyway, here is the case, and it has that magnetic ring so you can charge in it. Slide that right in there. And oh, it looks decent. It actually feels how it smells. It doesn't smell like leather. Have I been played? Did they play me? Well, one moment. I will put a screen protector on this case because I don't believe in fingerprints on the screen. And I'm back with that professional installation of that tempered glass screen. If you find any bubbles, well, you're just fall fighting and you need to mind your business. So this phone is like really tiny. I keep saying that, but actually using it, I mean, for instance, coming from the iPhone 13 Pro Max, it's like small. I mean, I'm trying to find other words to describe it, but the screen itself isn't that tiny, but I don't know. I just need to get used to it. The camera should be the same. Yeah, it's the exact same camera. So, all right. Let me just see the camera. I mean, yeah. It does feel comfortable in the hand though. And it's really zippy. I mean, I expect nothing less. It's the same processor as in all the iPhone 13. So, hey, I just got to get used to this tiny screen. Well, there you have it. The iPhone 13 mini and the iPhone 13 mini leather case that was so difficult to open. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Peace.